First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:42 this morning. There was a cold front working into the state of Texas. It's considerably colder across northern Texas right now, but that cold front is being replaced, lifting back to the north as a warm front. And that's going to continue to happen with this cold front here. This low pressure system is the main system right now. Notice all the snow that it's producing up in the northeast right now. But it's a fast mover. It's going to be moving offshore and weakening. And this is going to be the dominant low pressure system for today. But then the energy is going to transfer more over to this low pressure system. So this brings up the heat and humidity for the central part of the country. And then this low arrives late tomorrow afternoon and evening and is going to create thunderstorms across the central part of the country. That's what you get this time of year. A warm front lifts over, brings in the heat and humidity, and then the cold front brings the colder, dry air, and then you get thunderstorms. And that includes a chance of thunderstorms for us as well, but our chance isn't as good as places to the north. But I will show you that chance here on our hour-by-hour forecast. We are dry today. The front is lifting back to the north as a warm front right now. It never made it here, so we're just going to stay warm and humid. Mostly cloudy skies at 10 a.m., but as we get into the afternoon, we're going to be seeing a lot of sunshine. More clouds than yesterday, but still partly cloudy skies. Highs in the upper 80s, a humid day, and really the big story today is how windy it's going to be. 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts in the lower valley, maybe even 45 out along the coast. Now, notice what happens during the late overnight hours, early tomorrow morning. We're going to start out cloudy. Once again, the clouds will break up some during the afternoon. I don't think as much as today. I think tomorrow it's going to be a combination of mostly to partly cloudy skies. It is going to be warmer tomorrow. Highs around 90. Feels like temperatures getting close to the mid-90s. Not quite as windy. We'll call it breezy tomorrow, but not as windy as today. That's good news. We're still dry in the evening hours tomorrow, but very late Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning. Notice the time right here, 5 a.m. That's when we're finally going to get showers and storms here. Now, with that late arrival time, we're not concerned about these storms being severe, kind of like what we saw last time. The later the storms get here, the less chance of severe weather. So at this point, we're not forecasting any damaging wind gusts or hail. If it gets here earlier, that could change, but it's not looking that way right now. And notice the rain chance actually a little bit smaller out in Starr County. Better chances in the lower valley, which kind of missed out on the rain with that last cold front that came through and brought the storm. So hopefully we'll get some good rain out of this one, but it's kind of a 50-50 proposition at this point. 88 will be our high temperature for today. Skies becoming partly cloudy this afternoon. Warm, humid, and very windy with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. And Starr County, Hidalgo County, gusts more around 30 to 35, but you can still call it windy out there. The winds die down some tonight, but not completely. We're still going to see gusts around 25 miles per hour. Partly cloudy early, cloudy skies late, though. A muggy night, lows only around 73. Pretty similar to what last night was, really. You can think about last night, and that's what tonight's going to be like. And here's the wind advisory. Because it's going to be so windy in the lower valley, those gusts up to 40 miles per hour, particularly between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m., that's what they issue this wind advisory for. That means difficult driving conditions when you're driving east to west because winds are going to be out of the south, and possibility for a few downed tree limbs and power outages. Not widespread. The winds aren't going to be strong enough for that, but we could see a few power outages today in the lower valley because the winds are going to be so strong. But check out what happens with that cold front. Warmer tomorrow, but then only a high of 72 on Wednesday. We're talking about a 20-degree temperature swing, but it doesn't last long. Notice we're back to the low 80s on Thursday because that cold front is going to lift back to the north as a warm front. We might see a few showers on Thursday, but it's looking relatively dry. And then we certainly look dry Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And guess what? The mid-90s, the humidity, and those breezy conditions will be back for the weekend.